Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, we along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam were returning from a jihad. My camel was slow and I wanted to gallop it. All of a sudden, a rider approached me from behind and he poked my camel with a lance which he had. So my camel started moving so briskly that you would never have seen any other camel moving so fast. When I turned to see him, he was Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Jabir, why are you in so hurry? I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have recently married. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, have you married a maiden or a widow? I submitted, a widow. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, why did you not marry a maiden, so that you may sport with her and she may sport with you? Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, when we neared Medina Munawwara and were about to enter the houses, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, wait and let the night fall, so that the woman with disheveled hair may comb her hair, and whose husband was absent can remove her pubes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, when you enter, you should strive to procure progeny. You should strive to achieve progeny. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3625.